Audio Jungle.
Also, so that we can take it forward. My request is that whether we can schedule this video conference every 15 days fortnightly, so that we can have a better interaction. For you also it will be good, for us also it will be good. I think we can have it as first Saturday or first Friday or third Friday now. Let us have some schedule so that I can also be clear with the schedule.
Yes, sir, we can work with
Because it's a long partnership, because for both of us, these fraudsters are always one step ahead. So to compete with them, we also have to compete with them. We have to have a time-bound program and time-bound meetings also, so that we can work together.
No, we should, Mr. Sajjan. We should, because the last, I think, when Anjana Sinha was there with the cyber police, we did a lot of work with her, so
Yes.
I think it's good to renew this.
Yes, it's not good. We are willing. So if you can schedule and if Gitanjali can come back any of the days, working days from Monday to Friday, any day you say, we'll have first Friday or first Monday and then we'll have third Monday or something like that. Again, we can take it forward. 1 hour if we can talk, I think a lot of challenges we can see that they are all solved. It still continues to show it. Until we identify if they are abusing our own officers, and if we are not able to stop them or identify them, these people continue to put derogatory statements against our officers and all, which is very, very demoralizing.
No, absolutely. No, sir, absolutely we understand that. So, if the statement or if the content is of a kind which is personally targeting and personally attacking someone, that is a violation of our policy on harassment and personal.
It is personally, they personally posted derogatory statements against him.
I will again,
And against one of our previous IPS officer who worked as joint director CBI, Lakshminarayan, I must have heard his name. So against him also number of videos came. It took a lot of time for us to get it deleted. Continuous persuasion by him and our team. That should not happen. Once we send a mail, means it should be deleted immediately. Otherwise, nowadays you know it how fast these videos move. Once it gets into the WhatsApp, we can't do anything.
we add Paytm, that means Google Forms cannot be used for Paytm related purpose in any case. That will be a
bank name, UPI ID, debit card number. Those things we can add.
yes.
That's what. Instead of this brand names, we can add a generic terms like bank name, debit card number, credit card number, CVV, UPI ID, UPI PIN, password, net banking username, net banking username, password. These generic terms can be added.
Yes, sir. That has been added, ma'am.
They already added. Yeah, they're added, and they also, for example, a lot of our forms are also used by our G Suite customers, which are organizations. So these organizations also have a valid reason, for example, to add a bank information. So many of these, why we add generic, we also review them. We also manually review them before taking an action. So the process is a very iterative process to make sure that our good customers don't get impacted. But yes, all the recommendations we've given are added to our suite.
We are requesting for individuals only. They are telling about organization.
Organization we are not worried about because what we get is it is coming from individuals. It usually comes from individuals. It doesn't come from an organization or something. But you can differentiate between an individual and an organization when the Google form is created. So that way you can do it for only for the individuals, not the organization level email ID or whatever it is.
Yeah. Yeah, and then we have other ways of doing it.
Mafia, otherwise any fraudster, cybercrime fellow, if he continues till that MLAT comes, he continues to harass that woman, or if he continues to harass that family, how to stop this one?
Yes, so your department will in any case get the basic subscriber information, login detail, registration detail, time.
Is there any information you got it from it or?
So, yeah. Go ahead.
So ma'am, we do receive these requests, but ma'am, very honestly, in our experience, and something we will further discuss internally and get back in the next meeting, but we don't get too many reports on fake ads or fake or fraudulent ads from law enforcement agencies. There are other issues they report about, but not as much on fake ads. In fact, that's what earlier, if now that sir was mentioning, your department will be able to send some reports, that will be really very helpful.
I think what we can do it, ma'am, we can have a small WhatsApp group between all the three officers and one representative is from Google. Whenever we receive such things,